Hi everyone, welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1970 Plymouth Duster. This is a matching numbers 340 car. Very cool car, guys. I actually bought this car about 5 years ago. It's originally out of Virginia. Bought this car at a big Mopar show and drove it 5 hours back here. Great car. Had it on the expressway, 70, 80 miles an hour. Just a great car. It's a factory lemon twist yellow car. Again, matching numbers 340 car. It was a 3-speed manual transmission, but that's been converted to a 4-speed. Really just nicely done car. Car runs and drives excellent. Just a good car. You can see it's got the rallies on it with the BF Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got the go wing. There's a couple little things you can kind of nitpick on the paint, which actually they've been on there the whole time that, you know, I've sold the car actually a couple times, just bought it back again. But you can see a couple little touch-up marks. But nice car. Chrome and stainless is in good shape. Again, as you walk around, you can nitpick some things. I know this always gets me in trouble. Sometimes people don't like the truth, but these are all old cars, guys. They've all got something wrong with them. Every single one of them has something somewhere, somehow, that you can pick on. This is just a cool car, man. And again, runs and drives excellent. There's a little touch-up mark you can see there. Good, solid, straight body. It's a nice car though, man. Like I say, a few things you can pick, but man, you want a nice driver, this is a good car. This is a factory front disc brake car. All 340 Dusters in 70 had disc brakes. It's a little known fact that I picked up from a buddy of mine over in Pennsylvania. Again, matching numbers 340. It's got a Mopar aluminum intake on it. It's got ceramic headers on it. It's got a little comp cam to it. So they built it a little bit. Again, it does have disc brakes. Mopar radiator with the shroud. There's your fender tag. Man, we might get a little sunshine out of the day. It's almost like it's brightening up out here. So it's original door handles on it. There's your door tag. It's got the bucket seats, Hurst shifter, factory dash. They put some aftermarket gauges in there. Good car though, guys. I'm telling you, like I said, I drove this car 5 hours. This car hits the road good. Showing 16,000 on the odometer. I'm sure that's 116. Again, it's got the factory dash in it, aftermarket tach, aftermarket gauges, stock AM radio, dual exhaust. It's got an 8 3/4 355 sure grip in it. Oh, yeah. What it is, guys, they've added the go wing to this car, and so you got to hold it up. The deck lid is what I'm saying. Factory jack. It's got a spare in here. They've spackle coated it. Cover comes with the car. Car's nice and clean underneath. Good car. Got Jay fired up. Yeah, nice little cam to it. This is a good running 340, guys. Again, guys, matching numbers car. Tach works, fuel gauge works. Looks like all your gauges in there are working. Parking brake does work, guys. Radio, that's FM.
Oh, it's AM, FM. Brand new.
Yeah, they've done that. Blower motor works, right, Jay? Yep. So what they've done is they've converted that radio. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Facebook is another great way to keep in touch with us, or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.